Since the information came to the police in the correct time, that is in the golden hour, so the entire amount was freezed in that particular account, which was traced in India. And from that account, the amount through legal formalities has been returned, entire amount back to the company. So in this case, the person who has created the email ID or on whose instruction the criminal, that detail has to be followed up, because it has originated from a foreign country. However, the account in which the amount was shifted belongs to an elderly lady, and we are trying to find out how it has come to her account, what are the details, and we have to do the arrest and legal formalities against that.
Any other suspicion or targeted, sir?
No, in this only one complaint has come. So we have to go back and see if any other related EML ID has been, because as per this was created for this.
Only for this.
This was.
After reading that last time also it was targeted, 2025. Do you think there is some within the system of the
2025 complaint in December?
No, this is December complaint.
earlier also, last year also Dr. Reddy's were targeted?
I'll have to check up that. We'll check up that, because this is December complaint detected now.